Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Sorry I look a little bit bummy. My hair is just so dirty today that I just had to put a hat on, and I don't really match, but it's fine. We're just chilling at home, so it's okay. My hair washing schedule was totally off this week. I was like, okay, if I vlog tomorrow, I need to wash my hair, but then I shoot on Wednesday. You do the math in your head for your hair washing schedule, and things have to line up perfectly, and me washing my hair today wasn't really gonna line up. So we put a hat on and we called it a day. Welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Jamie. So today we're doing some fun fall things. First and foremost, I'm updating my mood board in here. Mood board is a very loose term, but it's more of an inspiration board and also a form of decor in my room. I do magazine cutouts and memories. I want to do it special for fall. So I'm gonna go through some magazines, do some cutouts, and do a whole setup and color scheme and just make it really fun for the season. So that's what we're doing. These are the boards in question. So I've had these for a while. They're from Ikea. I'm watching Sophia and Chinzia's vlog over there. They're from Ikea and I'm pretty sure they're still available. I feel like I recently linked them for you guys. I can't find the magnets. These are all magnets right here. Those are from Ikea originally, but I can't find them online. Last I checked. I'll try to look again. I'll insert some pictures of what I have done in the past if you guys are new to my channel, so you can see kind of what the vibe is. It's almost like boards that you would see maybe in a design studio or something, like an inspiration board, kind of like your Pinterest board, you know what I mean? I think while I do this, I'm gonna probably finish this vlog and then also watch my new show that I'll share with you guys in a minute. So I'm really excited. So let's get fall and vibey. Let's maybe light some candles. Should we set the tone a little bit? Okay, here are some magazines that I'm gonna use to pull some photos from. So these are actually what was originally on my board. It's just a stack of pictures that I had on there. Oh, it's sticking to the thing, sorry. Just a stack of all the pictures that I had. Oh, it's kind of a, I could repurpose one. Oh, I could repurpose this, perfect. So this is what I originally had on there. Really pretty photo. The theme last time was black and white photos. Now we're going for more fall vibes, and this is just perfect, so I don't have to throw that out. So that's everything I had on there. I just don't know what I want to still use or get rid of. And then I have these magazines, and I just recommend just using magazines that you already have. You can go pick up some magazines for the season, but I don't want to be wasteful. I'm just going to use the ones that I have. So I'm going to go through all of these, find some inspiration photos, kind of figure out a color scheme we want to go for. Okay, here we go. We got all of our cutouts ready. These are, this section is what I had on my previous board, and I don't really know if I'm going to use some of these or which ones I'm going to get rid of. Okay, I'm noticing my TV looks a little crooked, but it's fine. It's fine. We're going to ignore it. This is my new show that I am so passionate about. It feels like this actually is kind of reminding me of when I did my winter mood board last year. It was a cozy day. I think it was raining and I was watching Christmas movies, and I updated my winter mood board while I was doing that. Such a fun little good for the soul day. So that's kind of what today is. It's actually, it's warm outside, but it's a little gloomy today for some reason, which I am always here for. So I'm watching my new show while I do this board, and this show is just mwah, everything. So if you guys haven't watched this, it's so good. If you love romantic comedies, that's basically, this is a romantic comedy movie in a TV show. It's Virgin River, which I have up on the screen. I am just absolutely loving it. It's bringing me so much joy. It's only one season. I heard the second season is coming out, I think this year. I hope so, because I'm probably gonna finish it soon. But this show is just giving me so many fall vibes. It's just cozy and warm, and it's just the perfect show to start during the fall season. Right. Do you see these vibes? It's just, it's everything. Okay, and here is the finished product. It is looking so cute. I actually am really obsessed with the way it came out. Even better than the ones I've done the previous times. It's really, really pretty. I'm really feeling it. So I feel like it really added a nice vibe to the fall room decor. So let me know what you guys think about this. How do you think it looks? It's really vibey, you know? So I'll try to link these boards below. Hopefully they still have them. I'm gonna put a little pause in the vlog until later because I am gonna be babysitting my nephews for a little bit. So it's about 1 o'clock now and I'll probably see you guys in a few hours and we'll pick up where we left off. Okay, and we are back in my room. I know it seems that in this vlog we've been just confined in these 4 walls, but I promise I have left. It's a little bit later in the day. I watched my nephews and now it's 5:52 to be exact. So welcome to my office. This is just a little laptop stand I got from Amazon. The reason that you guys are in this meeting with me right now is that I got a DM a few days ago and I posted it on my story to see what you guys thought about this. So it says, Jamie, serious question. Can you make a vlogging course on organization skills because you are the queen of it? And I posted this on my story and I got so much feedback from you guys. If you follow me, you know that I really pride myself on being organized. I feel like I have that by nature because I'm a Virgo, which most of you guys know. We are very organized people. I have my space organized and just everything around me, but also I like to stay organized with work and with my personal life because I am self-employed. It can get kind of messy if I'm not very organized. So I know that a lot of people crave like organization in their life and structure. So I kind of thought we would do little tips here and there throughout the vlogs, and then also maybe do some standalone videos, maybe an updated closet organization video, just other things like that. If you guys want to see, if you have any ideas, please let me know. So these are just kind of the basics that I think are important and that you should begin this journey with. So for me, the most important thing, I don't know about you guys, is that I love to write things down. I find so much more comfort in writing them down and feel so much more like relieved in doing that rather than typing it out on my phone, putting it in my notes. I feel like things easily get lost in your phone. I know Google Calendars are really popular, and that is something that I'm not really super interested in because I would like to stay off my phone and my computer in those moments if I can, because I am on my phone and my computer so often. So I feel just kind of, I don't know, it's really satisfying to me to write things down and physically check them off. I don't know if you guys are the same. I just feel like it's more efficient for my brain. So everybody's different. You could take these in a Google Calendar and do whatever you want, but this is what I do. So the few things that you need just to start off is a plain notebook. I just have this black one that I got on Amazon. I will link this one below. But this is the #1 thing that I think you need if you're trying to get organized and not be so frazzled and all over the place. I have heard people call this a brain dump when you have a lot on your mind and a lot of things to do and you feel overwhelmed with your tasks. Just write it down on a piece of paper and get it all out and look at it, and then you will also kind of realize that it's not as much as your brain is making you feel like it is. Because I know for me, I could have like 4 things that I really need to do, and just knowing that those 4 things are piling up in my head, they get kind of magnified and seem even more insane than they really are, you know? So once I write things down and actually check things off and do them one by one, I feel so much more relieved. So that's kind of what happens in this notebook. The main thing that I use it for is to plan out my days and my weeks, and also just like write down reminders. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna plan out my day tomorrow. Just as long as I start a day with a plan, it doesn't have to be the entire week all the time, but as long as the day before I have my tasks written down, I feel so much more efficient in my work day, and I feel like I actually get things done rather than being like, okay, what do I need to do, and having like, you know, brain fog about it. I feel like it really helps me out. I always put little check boxes next to everything so that I can check things off throughout the day, or just at the end of the day go over all my tasks and make sure I got done everything that I needed to get done. And if I didn't, I can circle it and come back to it tomorrow, or write it on the next day's schedule, so that it's just efficient and things get done. So, okay, hold on, my battery's gonna die, so let me switch that out real quick. So for me, I always write down my days and my weeks in this notebook. You could use it just for simple to-do lists, maybe just your major to-dos that you need to get done that week. You can use it for brain dumps, like I said, whether it's paying a bill, whether it's calling to make an appointment, whether it's finishing a big project for work. And also a major thing that I need to say for you guys is not to overdo your to-do list in here, because that's when you start to feel stressed out. I know that we kind of live in a world right now where like hustle culture is really big, and I know a lot of people think it's very toxic, and I do think that it's kind of toxic the way that people promote, you know, if you're not hustling, you're not getting things done, and you're not, you know, you're failing if you're not a hustler, quote unquote. And I think it is important to be productive and get things done. Like, you know, we have bills to pay, we have lives to live, we gotta work. But I think that setting unrealistic expectations for yourself is also really unhealthy, because if you set yourself with too high expectations, you're gonna get burnt out. So that is something to keep in mind. I don't want any of this to get lost in translation that I am promoting this like crazy hustle culture that we have created. It's just a way to live your life more efficiently, and I think honestly less stressful. And then for my larger to-do list, like my maybe long term, like for the month, like for me, I know I needed to go to the dentist and I needed to go to the eye doctor. I went to the eye doctor, I needed to order new contacts, I did that. So those are like kind of the tasks that I have just in my phone. But also, major tip, if you guys don't have one, get a planner. It is my favorite thing ever. I have recommended this planner a ton. It's not anything super overwhelming and intense. I really like this one because the calendar days are a little bit larger of boxes, so you have room to write multiple things. So a lot of planners that I've had in the past have been a little bit smaller, and you can't really write a bunch, so that it starts to look sloppy and overwhelmed. And while I do that, I have everything color coordinated, and that's something that has really helped me. I have just a little key right here, as if I'm gonna forget it. Something about it is satisfying to me to have the key right there. I don't know if you guys can even see, but I have what each color stands for. So whenever I'm planning things out, I know which color to put, and then when I'm looking things over, I can see if something is urgent, like if it's red, if it's black, it's just like miscellaneous. So that has helped me out a lot. So that was my last tip that I wanted to share for today. I have my coffee cup that says hustle hard. Wow, sorry you guys, I don't mean to trigger you with the word hustle. This was a gift from a subscriber, this mug, so I can't get rid of it. I love it. It actually is really cute. And I don't think she meant anything toxic by it, but it's a really cute mug. But I keep my markers in here. I got these markers on Amazon. I could link all this below for you guys. You can just order this all on Amazon. I'm a visual person, so the color coordination really helps me out when it comes to being organized, and it's just more visually pleasing for me. Like if you guys saw in my weekly plan, each day had its own color, and I felt like it was just something. My writing is kind of sloppy too. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but it's something just satisfying about it. Like you are purple for Monday, and then you move on to pink for the next day, and it's like Monday's done. The purple is no longer there. You move on to the next one, if you guys know what I mean. So that is just something that I prefer, and I feel like those are some pretty basic tips that I'm sure a lot of you guys do. I'm sure a lot of you have a planner, but I would like to remind you to use it more often if you don't, because I find that it's really helpful. And when I don't have time to like fill out my planner, I sometimes feel just like kind of jumble brained and like, wait, I'm like, what's happening? It's nice to have that little bit of organization. And one thing also that I wanted to share before we close this out, something that will really help you feel organized, just keep your space clean. I feel like for me, I cannot start my day or even like really think straight if I'm working in a cluttered, messy space. Like I have to have my room at least somewhat clean. It doesn't always need to be like dusted and fresh every single day. Like I'm not crazy, but just clean. Like, you know, make your bed, put your laundry away, you know, just like kind of tidy up a little bit. And I think that also prevents you needing to do one extremely large cleanup. You know, if you just tidy a little bit every single morning before you start work or go to work, it will really help you out, because you won't have to do those massive clean outs every single month that take hours, because you have to clean up all your laundry, all your clothes, everything. It's just, I feel like it's way less stressful if you just do a little bit each day. You really could just set like a 30-minute timer on your phone and do a quick tidy for your entire house. I also like to have a clean kitchen. Something about the kitchen being dirty just really gives me like I don't know, something about it makes me cringe. It just needs to be at least somewhat clean and presentable. And my office and just everything. Just set a little timer, do a quick tidy around your house, whether that's just picking things up and putting them where they belong. We will get more into clean and organization and things like that throughout these videos. I will just be sharing a few little tips throughout each vlog for however many of the next videos until I run out of tips for you guys. But I will also, I think, share like a closet organization and anything else that you guys want to see. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I'm going to start to plan out my next few days now. I'm shooting tomorrow, so I'm going to plan on my outfit for tomorrow, and I'm also filming tomorrow, so I'm going to prep for that. And I hope you guys enjoy these little tips. Let me know if you have any questions for me. I would love to share. I feel like this is like kind of my life's calling to share more about organization, because I'm just obsessed with it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlogs. Let me know how you're liking these really kind of like short and sweet kind of vlogs. I actually don't know how long this is going to be, but you know, it wasn't a full entire day. I'm still going to make dinner and do that, but I think I'm just going to end this vlog here to keep it short and sweet. But I'm just doing these a little bit shorter for you guys so they're easier to watch, and more of you can come in, watch, and join the family. So make sure you guys subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. And that is pretty much it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.